daily candle crypto strategy. This strategy is not new. This is a strategy that millions of traders are using to earn passive income for themselves almost on daily basis trading crypto. One amazing thing I love about this strategy is because you can be using it for your forex trading, you can be using it for your crypto trading, also you can use it for your future trading. So this is a 3-in-1 strategy that works on all types of trading, for your future trading, for your forex, and also for your spot trading. So right on this update, I will guide you through step by step on how you as well can start applying this to your trading. And with this strategy, based on my testing on this strategy, I have confirmed this particular strategy because it has worked for me with over 90% win rate. So if you can understand this video and watch it from beginning to the end, you as well can start applying this strategy. But remember, this is never a financial advice. This is what has worked for me, and hundreds of my subscribers, they've testified to this strategy. So guys, without any further ado, let's dive straight right onto today's tutorial. So to get started on this day trading candle strategy, it is actually very easy, and you can be doing this on any of your crypto exchange, your forex broker, or you can as well use this strategy for your future trading. I told you it is a 3-in-1 trading strategy. You can use it for your forex trading, you can use it for your spot trading, and you can use it for your future trading. So I will guide you through live right now on how to do it with your spot trading and your future trading, so you can go ahead to apply the same strategy for your forex trading as well. Okay, so to get started, decide on which of the broker you want to use. Right here I'm using Bybit. Okay, so right here on Bybit, which of the pairs can you use for this particular trading? You can use it on any pair of your choice, but I always advise my subscribers, anytime you want to trade, be it future trading or spot trading, make sure you go for good crypto projects. I mean good crypto coin that you know your money is safe with. Don't just go for some random crypto that doesn't really have any history or any good record. Okay, so for an example, let's say I want to trade right now, and I'm going to be starting with the future trading. Right, just come right here to where it says trade, locate where it says trade right here, down here. Once you click on this area that says trade, you are going to be seeing, you are going to see this area that says future. Right, that is when you want to do this with future trading. Click on this area that says future right here. Once you click on future, just come right here and select any of the pairs you want to go for. Right, like I said, you can go for any pair of your choice. So for an example, let's say I want to make use of Nick Chain. Right, let's go for Nick Chain. This is Nick Chain right here. So I'm on Nick Chain right here. The next thing I'm going to do, I want to do some analysis, and I will show you. Right, just to do that, come right here to where it shows this candle symbol. Once you click on this candle symbol, you are going to be seeing we have the full chart right here, and from here you are going to see you can go for any time frame of your choice. You can go for 1 minute, for 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, and when you click on more right here, you are going to be seeing more time frames you can choose from. But in most cases, I do go for the 1 day time frame. Right, so I'm on 1 day time frame right now. So on this 1 day time frame, look at the candle chart. Look at the candle chart right here. Can you see? These are all the candle right here, and these are all 1 day candle charts. I don't want to bore you with so much explanation. I'll just go straight to the point. Now you can see the candlestick on 1 day time frame. You can see these are some of the previous results, as you can see right here. So I will show you something now very quick. So you see the only two colors of candle we have right here is the bullish candle and the bearish candle. And the bullish candle, that is the green candle, while the red candle is the bearish candle. What we have to do right here to go for this daily candle strategy is very easy. Now if you come right here, these are 3 days candle results. Right, we have, let's go for 5 days. Right, let's go for 5 days candle results. Right, so this is 5 days. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4 right here, and this is 5. So let's use this as our illustration. Okay, so you are going to be seeing on the day one, right? On the day one candle result, look at this day one right here. This day one, the candle ended at bearish candle, that is red candle. The next day, what follows is the bearish candle, that is the red candle. The next day, what follows is the red candle. The fifth day, what follows is the red candle. Now, what this is telling us is that in most cases, right, because this is what I've done countless time and it has worked, so this is not trial by error. In most cases, when you see where the candle end at each day, let's say candle ended at the red candle today, what is likely to follow the next day is likely to also be the bearish candle, right? Remember, this one ended at the bearish candle, that is red. The next day is likely to end at the bearish candle as well. Okay, and the third day it can also end at the bearish candle. But one great strategy I use for this is that once I know what I'm going for the next day, since this day ended at the bearish candle, I know what I'm going for the next day is also bearish candle. I don't have to wait for the day to really end, right? I don't have to wait for the day to end. Look at this time that is reading down right here. This is the current candle, this is current candle, that is today's candle. You see, this thing is counting down, If this candle should, if this time should read down and this candle remain as the bullish candle, what I'm going for the next day, that is the green candle, that is the bullish candle. So immediately I see that this time is about reading to 00, I would have prepared myself for long, that is bullish trade, right? That is bullish. Okay, so this is how you do it right here. And when you want to carry out this trade, you can be doing it on future, on spot, or forex. So this is for future. If you want to use this strategy for future trading, then you are going to be focusing on the bearish candle. So today if this candle ended at the bearish candle, so the next thing I'm going to do, I will plan myself to trade on the bearish candle. So immediately I see I'm in a profit of, let's say, 5%, 10%, or at times it can be 15%. If there's a surge, then you can always take your profit, right? You don't have to be greedy when you are carrying out this type of trade. Once you see you are in a profit of like 5 to 10% or 15% at max, you can take your profit and prepare yourself for another round of trade. So if you are going for future trading or forex trading, you can always trade on this strategy in multiple ways, right? That means you can trade for your long or short. If the candle ended at bearish candle the first day, the second day, then prepare yourself for the bearish candle again. The third day, if it ended at the bullish candle, then that means you are going for the long on the fourth day. This is how you do it. Anywhere the candle end, the next day, make sure you follow the same candle that ended the last day. That is how to do it. Very simple. So that is for future and also for the forex traders. So right now, let's go for the spot trading. How to apply this strategy for spot trading. So let's go back to market. This is market right here. So let's say I want to do this with spot trading, and I'm going to be using WLFI as my illustration for the spot trading. So right here, I'm not going to be doing so much talk because I've already explained all what you need to understand in the future and the forex trading illustration. So the same strategy you are going to be using right here. You already understand where the candle end. That is what is going to determine what you are going for the next day. So from what you can see right here, the candle is presently trading as the bullish candle, right? So let's go for 3 days candlestick, right? 3 days. We are going to be using 3 days as our illustration right here. So if you see right here, this is let's go for 5 days. 5 days ago, this candle ended at bearish candle, right? The next day, 4 days ago, it ended at the bearish candle. 3 days ago, it ended at the bearish candle. So it means if you are trading on WLFI and you are trading on your future or forex, it means you are already making consistent profit for good 3 days. That is where the magic is. You can see this strategy is really working. If you are trading for good 3 days consistently and you are following this strategy, it means 5 days ago you made profit on your short. That is if you are trading future and your forex. 4 days ago you also made profit using what is called short. The 3 days ago you also made profit trading short and using this strategy. So as at yesterday, the candle pattern change, right? And you see from yesterday we are seeing WLFI going bullish, right? And this is where the bullish started. It started from here. This is the first bullish candle right here, as you can see, green. And today again is also trading at the bullish candle. That is what you can see right here. So yesterday it ended right here, so because of that I enter a trade right here on bullish candle, and right now as you can see the trade is going in my favor. As you can see, the time is counting down, and we have about 8 hours for today's candle to end. If this candle ended at the bullish candle, I can decide to go for another bullish candle. When you are using this strategy on spot trading, you can only go for the bullish candle, that is the long. You can do short on your spot. So if you want to go for short, that is your forex and your future trading. If you are going for your spot, you are going for long, that is bullish. Okay, let me repeat that. If you want to trade on this and you want to trade on the red candle, that is the bearish candle, you can only trade on your future trading or your forex trading. But if you want to trade on spot, you can only be targeting bullish candle, that is the green candle. That means you are predicting that the price is going to be going higher instead of the price depreciating. So this is how simple this strategy is, and millions of traders are using this strategy to earn passive income for themselves, and you as well, you can join and make use of this strategy. But remember, this is not a financial advice. This video is only for educational purpose. Always do your due diligence and trade according to what you can afford to lose anytime you are trading on crypto trading at all. If this video has made sense to you in one way or the other, ensure you give this video a like, subscribe to this channel if you are just coming across this channel, and ensure you turn on your notification bell. Remember, we have a trading platform where we trade on behalf of our interested subscribers. If you want us to trade on your behalf and you earn profit on weekly basis without you having to lift a finger, reach out to me by using the link right on this video description, or just go to my profile and click on the link on my bio. You are going to see my contact information right there. Message me on WhatsApp or on Telegram. I'm going to be giving you all our terms and conditions. And we also have a VIP signal platform where I give multiple signal on daily basis, where you can be using this signal to trade by yourself. It's just a copy and paste signal. You don't have to analyze at all. You don't have to index any of your trade. Just copy and paste signal and you trade by yourself, take your profit, and you can always get this multiple signal on daily basis when you are part of our VIP community. So you can see this video right here or see this one right here to learn more way to make some passive income for yourself in the year 2026 just by trading crypto. I will see you on the next one.